Hey, what's up? We have already reviewed many backup cameras, for example, AutoVox WP7 Pro, AutoVox TW1, as well as rear view mirror AutoVox T9. We also have the new backup camera, AutoVox CS2 and the Honest V25, but we didn't post the videos about them yet. As you can see, there are many backup cameras on the market, and it is quite difficult to choose the right one. In this video, I want to tell you about the features you should pay attention to when choosing backup camera. Please hit the like button under this video, and let's get started. When choosing backup camera, first, you have to look at the camera itself. It is better to choose a camera with a resolution of 720p or even 1080p. For example, AutoVox W7 Pro and AutoVox TW1 have 720p cameras, and the image quality is really good. The Honest V25 has 1080p camera, the image quality should be even better. However, it looks like the monitor has 720p resolution, so the image is also 720p. It means that you should also pay attention to the screen resolution, not only camera. We will talk about screen a little later. I think that viewing angle also plays an important role. As rule, the viewing angle of backup cameras is between 110 and 130 degrees. However, some cameras even have a 150 degrees viewing angle. You know, the image quality of a backup camera can be very good in daytime, but pretty bad at night. Before buying backup camera, I recommend you to watch videos about it on YouTube, especially videos in low light conditions. By the way, all backup cameras should be waterproof and low high temperature resistant, because they are installed on the outside of the car. Backup cameras come with screens in the package. They have different diagonal and resolution. As I already said, the resolution of the screen is really important, because if the camera is 1080p, but the screen resolution is 720p, then the image quality will be also 720p. There is no sense of 1080p camera with 720p display. The most common screen diagonal is 5 inches, but AutoVox CS2 has 4.2 inches. I don't think that you really need a big screen on the dashboard, because then it would block the view. Many backup cameras such as AutoVox W7 Pro, AutoVox TW1 and the Honest V25 has dual channel support. It means that you can connect two cameras to the monitor. It is also a very useful feature, because you can install the first camera on the back of the car, while the second camera is on the front or side of your vehicle. Pay attention to the dual channel support, because some budget backup cameras doesn't have this feature. The installation process of most backup cameras is the same. You need to install the camera on the license plate and the monitor on the dashboard. We can read on Amazon product pages that backup cameras are wireless. It means that the camera is connected to the monitor wirelessly. However, you need to connect the camera itself to a power source. In case of AutoVox CS2 and AutoVox W7 Pro, the camera is connected to the rear lights. The Honest V25 camera is connected to cigarette lighter. However, AutoVox has a truly wireless backup camera. AutoVox TW1 is equipped with 3350 mAh built-in battery, so you don't need to connect it to the car circuit. I think that cameras with built-in battery are much better, because they are completely wireless and they are much easily to install. All backup cameras that I have tested have settings menu with brightness and contrast setup, as well as mirror and a normal view. However, I would like to draw your attention to the guidelines. All AutoVox backup cameras have guidelines, but you can only adjust them on the Honest V25. I don't think it is a killer feature, but it is a nice addition. Like any other product, you should pay attention to the price of backup camera. You know, the price depends on the features. For example, AutoVox TW1 is the most expensive backup camera that I have tested. Its price on Amazon is about $150 with coupon code. However, it is also the best backup camera that I have tested, because it is truly wireless and it even supports solar panel charging. From other side, you can find really good backup camera for only $100. I hope this video was useful for you, and now you can choose a good backup camera. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.